Okay, we're back. I've got to redo this part of the video. I'm just cutting the glass now. The reason being is because it's on another device and I can't suss it out. Don't worry. So I'm just going to cut the glass here now. I don't think I've done this over stand up. And you can see this little score line there, yeah. I've got my finger on either side underneath and then my thumbs above it, yeah, and then just snap it like a biscuit. See? So, that's that then. So I want to cut this little curve here. Is that better? It's not quite square, that. It's not good, that. It's a bit off. That's a different glass. That's it, okay. Can't see the lines that good here. Sunglasses. Snap it like a biscuit. Oh. What's happened there? So. Just a little curve. Nice and slow. This is sharp, but I need to harass it, so I've got to get some harassing done. Harass and then copper foil. So, that's what I made earlier. Well, let's pause it, I'll show you that.